Dear children, today we are going to solve the 7th problem in exercise 6.2. Using theorem 6.1, prove that the line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisects the third side. We have taken a triangle. D is the midpoint of one side of a triangle. DE is parallel to BC, and we have to prove that DE is bisecting this side AC. That means E should be the midpoint for that. So we have to prove AE is equal to EC. Let us write what is given. ABC is a triangle. D is the midpoint of AB. DE is parallel to BC. To prove AE is equal to EC, that is E is the midpoint of AC. So prove, we know D is the midpoint. So AD is equal to BD. It's given. So and D is parallel to BC is also given. So by BPT theorem we know that AD by BD is equal to AE by EC. But we know AD is equal to BD. That means AD by BD is equal to 1. If this is equal to 1, AD by BD is equal to AE by EC. This is also equal to 1. AE by EC is also equal to 1. So this shows that AE is equal to EC. Just cross multiply, we get AE is equal to EC. So this proves that DE bisects AC. The next question is 8th one. Using theorem 6.2, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. That means a triangle is given for you. Two midpoints are given here. D and E are the midpoints. The line joining the midpoints is parallel to the third side. We have to prove it. So 6.2 theorem is converse of BPT. So let us write what is given. ABC is a triangle. D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively. We have to prove D is parallel to BC. So for that, you know very well, since D is a midpoint, AD will be equal to BD. And if E is the midpoint, AE will be equal to EC. So AD by BD will be equal to 1 and AE by EC will be equal to 1. Take this as first and second equations. Now from 1 and 2 we get AD by BD is equal to AE by EC. That implies D is parallel to BC by converse of BPT. So we have proved the statement. The next question is 9th one. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and its diagonals intersect each other at the point O. Show that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. You know very well, in a trapezium, one pair of parallel sides are there. So AB is parallel to DC. So let us write what is given. ABCD is a trapezium. AB is parallel to DC. Now, to prove AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. So for this we have to construct. I am just drawing a line EO which is parallel to DC. So let us consider this triangle ABD. When we consider this triangle ABD, we know OE is parallel to DC by construction. And already it is given AB is parallel to DC. So we know if OE is parallel to DC and AB is parallel to DC, then OE is also parallel to AB. Because lines parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. So now by BPT theorem we know that AE, when you take this triangle, we get AE by ED is equal to OB by OD. By considering this ABD as the triangle. Take this as first equation. Now let us take ADC as the second triangle, ADC. If we take this triangle, you know EO is parallel to DC. So by BPT theorem we get AE by ED is equal to AO by OC. Take this as second equation. So from the first and the second equation we get BO by OD is equal to AO by OC because both are equal to AE by ED. So when we equate, we get this. We have to bring to the form OC. So we are just interchanging the places. So OC by OD is equal to AO by OB. Hence proved. Thank you.